We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In our previous video, we discussed about how to link a Revit file. Today, we will discuss about how to link a CAD file. Link tool is similar to extract command in AutoCAD. When you link a file to Revit model, you can maintain the connection between linked file and model. When the file linked once, it can be easily updated, unloaded or reloaded and removed in the future. Linking can be done for a reference purpose also. Now, let us move to the video to know more. Here I open a new project file. For link an AutoCAD file, go to Insert tab. Click on the Link CAD icon. Now a dialog box is opened. Here we can see only DWG format files. Choose an AutoCAD file for link. Using positioning option, you can position the linked file in the workspace. This option shows in which level you want to link this CAD file. Here we are active in floor plan level 3. So automatically shows level 3 in this box. Just click on this box. You can see other levels comes under level 3. If you want to change the level 3 option, you can done it now. Using import unit option, you can insert the AutoCAD file in the different units given here. By default, it will be auto detect. Click on open. Comes to the project browser, you can see a link, Revit link option. Right click on it and select manage links. Under CAD format option, you can see the details of CAD file that we linked in this project. When you select a link file, you can see reload, unload, remove at the bottom. By taking this plan as a reference, I can project these walls very easily without knowing the dimensions. Thank you for watching this video.